Lesson 7. Sound of vowel U. Say aloud the sound U as in the following: cub, tub, mug, sun, jump, bulb, utensil, duck. Let's learn some more U sound words. U, T, ut, hut, nut, rut, cut, butt, jut. U, G, ug, mug, rug, hug, jug, tug, bug. U, N, un, fun, gun, none, bun, run, sun. U, B, ub, tub, hub, dub, cub, rub, pub. Read and speak loudly. Jump, pump, dump, hump, up, cup, pup, sup, duck, suck, buck, luck, mud, bud, cud, dud, fun, run, gun, bun, hut, bun, and cub. Let us read. There is a hut. It is made of mud. The pup is in the hut. Sumi has a bun. Pat has a gun. They run for fun. There is mug in the tub. The tub is near the cub. The boy rubs the cub.